Hello, my name is Anna and I'm certified as a Wisdom Life Coach for children. Whether or not children believe in themselves will shape who they are and what they create in their lives. Do they go for it in life or do they sit on the sidelines? Powerful self-confidence is not that children are born with it. It is something that it can be developed. And I'm going to give you some ideas on how can you help your child. But before, I want you to remember that it takes time. So be patient. And the key is repetition. So the first one is do not compare your child with other children. Your child is unique and you love your child the way that he is. By comparing your child with others will damage his self-esteem. And then the child will grow up with the idea that he's never going to be good enough. The second one is allow your child more independence. Allow your child to make mistakes. By mistakes, he can learn. Allow your child to take decisions. Personally, I always involve my children by asking them silly questions. One could be, which road do you think it will be shorter? Or every time when I go to buy them toys or clothes, I always asking them, which one do you prefer? The third one, it will be allow your child to express his emotions. This is very important. Even if he's crying, screaming, complaining, just leave your child to express these emotions, because if we don't leave them, what is going to happen? The child will close in himself. Later in life, it will be very hard for himself to express. Or the worst one, the child will turn away from you. And this is something that none of us wants, right? Another one, it will be do not discourage your child to try things that are not necessary for his age. I know that might be scary because I have two boys and I know how scary it can be. But what you can do is to stay next to them and tell them, be careful. That's all. Don't tell them words like, be careful, you might fall and break your head. In other words, avoid to put negative ideas in his head. Because what we want for our children is to be confident. So by trying those new things, he gets confident. And we encourage them to get confident. Another one is always emphasize that attempting something is more important than the results. And always praise your child when he's trying something new and he failed. You can tell your child things like, I know it was very hard for you, but I appreciate that you had the bravery, the courage that you tried. We have to use more often these words, brave and courage. So I have more ideas on how can you help your child, and you can find them on my website. So if you click on the link down below, you'll find more over there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all a lovely day. Bye now.